In this video, let me show you how to add and delete widgets on your MacBook Neo. So by default, I got these ones that are on this corner and I can move them where I want. But what if I don't like them? Well, right click, okay, click with 2 fingers on the touchpad once you're above one of these widgets. And if you don't like it, simply click remove and it's gone. If you want to add a new widget, well, do the same thing, right click with 2 fingers on the touchpad like this. And instead, you're going to click edit widgets. This will appear down below. And from here, you can have widgets from different categories. Let's say I want this battery widget. I'll click on it. I'll select the one that I prefer. Let's say the last one. And I'll click the plus icon. It will be added. Okay, if you click back on the desktop to your desktop, and you can move it around exactly where you want. If you have other icons or any other files, they're all going to move around your widget, just like on your iPhone. So you can add many widgets this way. And if you download new apps, some new apps will be capable of producing widgets. So for example, if I go down and let's say I want a TeamU widget. Well, I'll click on TeamU and over here, let me pick one. I'll click this one. It will be added. And many apps have different widgets. Simply by browsing them, selecting them, you'll be able to add multiple of them on your desktop. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.